So good evening to all. Hope you all are doing great. So today in this video we'll be discussing about Yes Bank share. So we'll discuss about the latest quarter one results that were declared today, and we'll also try to find out the next possible levels of S Bank. We'll also discuss the about the fundamentals of the company, that is about the management as well as the shareholding of the June ended quarter. So we'll see the mutual fund holdings as well. So people who are new to the channel can definitely subscribe the channel for all the latest updates. So stay tuned, video will be interesting, so watch the video till end. So if you see the latest quarter one results, so you can see that S Bank reports net profit around 45.4 crore, which is down almost 60% from 113.8 crore year on year. So that's why the share even today has corrected almost, it has fallen. Heavy fall was there, but later it has covered a little bit. So that we'll see on technical charts as well. Now let's see about the NPS. Okay, even though the profits were down 60%, you can see that the NPS have decreased marginally. So you can see almost gross NPA has decreased around 0.5%, and you can see net NPA has decreased almost 5.4%. Okay, NPAs have decreased, but only the profit only was the big deal for the company. Okay, so you'll also know that the debt is also present on this company, but you can see in the June 20 quarter the pledging has become zero. If you compare with previous quarter, it was almost 1%. Okay, we'll see that as well. So you can see that S Bank share fall below FPO price of 12 rupees. So we know that FPO has completed, the price was around 12 rupees and has rose a little bit after 10% fall. We all know that, we are observing S Bank share regularly. So we know that S Bank share 2 weeks ago, we know that raised almost 15,000 crore via offer for, so that is FPO, follow on public offering. So what is that follow on public offering? So they relist again that particular company at a particular level, that is 12 rupees per share. So why they have done that? Because they needed the funds, they needed money. So that was the main reason they have done this FPO. So since FPO, we know that the share has fallen almost 56%, and the bank has come down to 30% after FPO. Okay, so we know all these things. Now let's see about the June ended quarter 2020 holdings. Okay, if you see the overall summary of the S Bank, you can see the holdings. So you can see the public is having only 29.2% stake, but you can see the other institutions are having almost a 68.5% stake, and you can see rest of all mutual funds are having very less quantity, and FIIs are also having a decent quantity, that is less quantity when compared to other institutions. So we'll see that as well. So you can also see that the FIIs and FPI holding marginally changed to 1.66% as of June 2020 quarter, and number of FIIs holding stock rose. So you can see that FIIs holding has slightly increased from 1 to 248 in June 2020 quarter, and mutual fund holding also marginally changed. Okay, and number of mutual fund holding stock has unchanged till 23rd June 2020. It implies that no mutual fund have again invested in this particular company till date 23rd in June 2020. Okay, and institutional investor hold marginally changed to 70.77% as of June 2020 quarter. Okay, so marginally it has changed to almost 70.77%. Okay, if you see, we've seen that mutual funds are having very less stake, that is almost only 0.56. Foreign portfolio investors are having a 1.66% stake. You can see how much amount of shares they are holding, and rest you can see the main financial institutions and banks. You can see State Bank of India almost having 48.21%, ICICI Bank is having 7.97, and Axis Bank 4.78, Bandhan Bank Limited 2.39, the Federal Bank 1.89, as well as IDFC First Bank Limited, so 1.64%. So you can see almost each and every bank is having a very good amount of stake in this particular company, and you can see general public is having less amount, whereas these type of institutions are having a very good amount of stake. Next is the main important thing, that is the mutual funds buying, holding as well as selling. So we can see from the chart that so blue color indicates the holding and green color indicates that they're buying and red color indicates that they're selling. So you can see selling has decreased, but you can see in March 2020 there was a heavy selling scene. That was we know all already that almost it went to 5 rupees as well. So that was only the reason that on selling is high in that particular month. So later you can see selling is very reduced and you can see holding is also slightly reduced. Okay, so buying yet has not happened by any mutual fund. You can see only slight holding is there, that is around 0.2% only mutual funds are having. Okay, so data is very clear. Selling is not, heavy selling is not there by any mutual fund. Only they need to start buying. If anyone is interested, so I'll immediately update about this stock whenever you can enter. But let's see the levels as well. Okay, if we see the major weaknesses of this company, you can see that major weakness is the company. We can say company is with a high debt and the debt is also increasing. Okay, so that is one of the thing, and another thing is the degrowth in revenue as well as profit, and company is also with weak financials. So when we have a good clarity about the management, so when I discussed about IDFC First Bank, so how excellent the management is, you can see how Mr. Vaidyanathan is take caring of his investors as well as public holders. So he's giving discuss that is giving almost shares free of cost even to his personal driver as well as colleagues. So that amount of belief he has in that particular company. So when that type of management will be employed in these type of banks, especially S Bank, then some sort of change may happen. So first thing is that the management should change. The people who are managing this company, who are controlling the overall value of this particular company, they need to have some maturity, so that then only the company will have a good movement in the future. So profit should be generated, so the debt should be cleared first. So that is the main thing and negatives for the company. So next, if you see the returns of the company, almost everything is in red only. Till now, it has not given any positive returns. You can see almost all are negative. You can see 3 years it has given minus 96.77% returns, 2 years minus 96.78, and 6 months minus 69.68. So everything is in negative only. So some weakness is still present in the stock that we'll see as well. So the current price of this company is around 11.90, and you can see that some weaknesses was seen. You can see almost when it has gone down below the 20 EMA, so continuous fall was there, and later you can see the money flow index is also showing that it's peaking downward, implies that still some weakness may be possible. So once it goes to the oversold region, then definitely you can add in small quantities. So immediate support for this stock is around 10 rupees. So if the 10 rupees level is respected, then you can enter. Otherwise it may correct and go to 9 rupees as well as 8 rupees. So these are the two important levels of this. Apart from that, you can see in one day chart as well. Also in one day chart, it has gone to oversold region. So wait patiently. So if it respects that 12 rupees, if it gives movement about 12 rupees, so then only invest in small quantities, people who are interested only. So not forced recommendation that you need to enter. So you do your own analysis and then only invest. But I'm telling the levels that 12 is a very good level if you want to enter in small quantities. So apart from this, people who are interested only enter. Apart from that, if you are interested in put into banks, then focus on IDFC. These type of banks, their management is sort of very good. Okay, so this is all about Yes Bank. We discussed completely everything about shareholding, negatives, returns. Okay, everything have been covered. So people who like the video can definitely like and subscribe the channel. So until then, take care. Bye bye.